Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to u to the power of 4. Because if I put this one gone here and here, we can solve the square root and the fourth root in here. Later that we do first the derivative for the both side, and we have for u to the power of 3 du. So I will put this one gone here and here. The s we change by this one. This one we have u to the power of 3. This one we have u square. Number 4 I will put outside. U to the power of 3 and u square, we have number 5 in here. Next, we need to add about u square. Later that we need to minus about u square. So this one we can do about factorization by u square. So this one divided by this one, we have u square. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. This one we have 1 over 3, and of the absolute value of u to the power of 3 plus 1. And I will put about sin here. About u, that is about this one. So we put about 4 root for the both side. So you have u equal to 4th root of s. And now we need to change this one for u. This is the end. Thank you for watching.